Hello, this is the Tradesight U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Tuesday, the 23rd of February, 2016. Just sat through one of the most boring days of the year so far in the stock market. You'll see it when we look at the intraday action. Meanwhile, here's the ES front-month futures contract daily chart. You can see we gained a bit for the session, but there was a big gap first, so it's not as meaningful as it looks. We'll talk about that when we look at the intraday. Let's go through the numbers. Crude oil up quite a bit, $33.40. Gold down quite a bit, down $20.90. The S&P cash index gained 27.72, but again, most of that was the gap. NDX cash gained 67.18. Again, here you can see on the NDX, these are the gap that's left behind. S&P doesn't always show it that way. SOX gained 9.54. Biotechs gained 22.42. VIX is down 1.15, back under 20. Trend closed at 0.38. That's a very low close in the trend, the lowest in a long time. Brought the 10-day moving average down to 0.99, but we do have a couple of high readings above 1.5 the last 2 days, Friday and Thursday. So it's going to take a bit to get that under 0.85, which would be the sell signal on the market, usually if it happens. Volume on the NASDAQ, only 1.6 billion shares. It's actually worse than all of last week. Worst day of the year so far. So out of the blue, volume's gone on us again. Advanced decline ratio up 1294, or at positive 1294 on the NASDAQ, at positive 1724 on the New York, which is good market breadth. We have Google up $6.94. Apple up 84 cents, still holding under 100. Amazon, a nice plus 24.80 day. Netflix up $2.70. That's about it. All right, let's take a look at the intraday action. Again, this is what I was talking about. First of all, we don't have the levels on here for the futures, but 1937.50 is a TriStar level we have not seen for a while on the futures. And look where we ended up here. We gapped up, hit 1937.50 in the second candle. And actually, let's go to 5-minute candles just so we can see this a little bit better. Got there in about the second candle and then just flatlined on that number all day. Horrible volume. Left a gap behind. I mean, that is just not good from a trading perspective. We did get some stuff done early, but there was nothing to do after the first hour, and there's no point in forcing trades in a market that flat. We kept an eye on it just in case, but nothing happened. All right, so that being said, it was the first day back from the options expiration, so first day of a new options cycle. So that can be slow. We start to get some data now. So we've got the Case-Shiller 20-City Index at 9 a.m. on Tuesday. We've got consumer confidence in existing home sales 30 minutes into the market. All right, that should do it. Again, we'll be looking for a better trading session. Hopefully volume picks back up a bit from what we just saw. Charts, as usual, brought to you by eSignal 12. If you've not taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. And if you do find these videos useful, please like them on YouTube. It does help us out. We will see you in the lab. Have a great trading Tuesday.